this segment of the Windows 11 tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to use the updated sound recorder application in Windows 11. With the 2022 update for Windows 11, the sound recorder application was updated to have a much more visually appealing look and feel to it. To access a sound recorder application, you can go under the Start menu and simply either locate it under the list of applications here or all apps, or simply under the search, select sound recorder. Then once located, you click on it. The first time you open it up, it may require an update. And once you open it up, you have these options right here to simply start recording. On the left-hand side here, you have the option to import an existing file. Here, further down, you have the previous recordings that you may have done in this computer. And you can manage those recordings by right-clicking and then choose to rename them or to delete them if necessary. And then further down, you have the option for the microphone that you want to use for the recordings. And then you are ready to start recording here. And in the center area, this is where the WAV file will be displayed. Now on the top right, we can select to share this, and there are also additional settings to customize the sound recorder application. So to record something, we simply press here the record button and just talk away. And at this point, you just keep on talking, and the WAV file will be displayed at the center of the screen here. Once you're done with the recording, you simply press pause, and you can press space to pause it, or you can press stop to stop the whole recording. Now to preview our recording, we simply press play. At this point, you just keep on talking, and the WAV file will be displayed at the center of the screen here. Now, unfortunately, you cannot do editing of the audio file from here. It would be nice if we were able to do that. But we can change, however, various other settings. For example, here under Settings, you can change the recording format, whether you want it MP3 or other formats, the audio quality recording, and the theme as well for the application.